Hey everybody, it's another it's a Monday, May 17th, daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. This is kind of late in the day, the market's already closed, so I'll give you kind of what happened during the day here in a second here. So the numbers basically came out this morning with the Empire State Index. The market started out poorly because they're expecting the 30, whereas it came in about 19. So that's why you kind of saw the stock market about triple digits in the minus, and then late in the day kind of made a rally based on the tech stocks that showed a lot of improvement. So that's why the bond market was showing a lot better. As you can see, we started the day up in this range here. Excuse me here. In this range here, we started in this range here and then came downwards. So what happened in this situation is mortgage rates worsened for the day because even though we started higher, it came lower, about 28 basis points it lowered, and that was due to money coming out of the bond market going back into the stock market. So remember, they do compete for dollars, the bonds, and the stock market. So mortgage rates today did have probably had a price for the worse in the afternoon, whereas this morning it was really good rates. As I mentioned before, once we get to this kind of level, we have a history of it kind of shooting backwards. It is kind of in an overbought position. And I did create a new trend line here. As you can kind of see, it's starting to go upwards again, and it was getting quite a ways off from the trend line, and it kind of needed to come back closer. So as you kind of see some past ones, this is kind of an older one that I showed before, but as you can see, every time you get up towards the 102 mark, once it touches it, it shoots right back down. So again, this kind of what happened for the day. We do have the PPI coming out tomorrow. Analysts will be looking at that, at the glimpse for Wednesday's CPI report. That will be probably the big news for the day, week, to make sure that there's no concerns for inflation. PPI is more on the wholesale side, but many times it's not as held as a high regard, primarily because many times the wholesalers don't pass that increase of expense to them onto the consumers, so that's why they don't watch that. And then later in the week we have the Philadelphia Fed Index, so it'll be the manufacturing on the East Coast. They're going to kind of take a look at what's going on the East Coast, and that will be important to look at, make sure that we're showing some continued signs of improvement. So anyways, hope you guys had a great day, and I'll be providing another one for you tomorrow morning, Tuesday. Have a great day.